Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove the Instagram account from the Facebook Account Center. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Then, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Here, tap on Account Center. Now, scroll down and tap on Accounts to view all connected accounts. You'll see both your Instagram and Facebook profiles here. Tap on Remove next to the Facebook username. Then, tap on Remove Account to start the process. Next, tap on Continue to confirm. Finally, tap on Yes, finish removing. As you can see, your Instagram account is now removed from Facebook's Account Center. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.